This week, Sigma Homes is coming to you from Summer Cove, right here in the heart of Kinsale. Behind us, where once was a really old bungalow, today Sigma Homes have transformed it with an amazing design that captures all the Kinsale views. This is the view, this is what it's all about. The house has been carefully designed, but once you come through the front door and you make your way into the heart of the home, it all makes sense. Behind me, you've got this big spacious boot room with lots of storage space. And now, this brings us into our open plan living, and it really speaks for itself. You've got this gorgeous TV, and I love the dark material. It really gives it that bespoke look. But the one thing that really stands out as you're watching a movie, you've got this gorgeous view distracting you. What a beautiful distraction that is. From here, we really get to see our dining. This gorgeous light-fitting, beautiful table. The fabric of these chairs tying perfectly in with our living. But it's this gorgeous display unit behind us that really stands out. The green color, the ribbed glass, and that lighting popping through. In the kitchen, we've got this double height space, vaulted ceiling, and all this natural light. But what's hard to believe is we have another feature that even beats it. It's the view from the kitchen window. Here, all you can see is the sailing boats. All you can hear is the sound of seagulls in the distance, and it really gives you that holiday feeling. Hidden away behind this wall, once you open this door, this is where we've got a big spacious pantry. This door takes us straight into our main bathroom. It's spacious. We've got a freestanding bath. We've got some gorgeous brick. We've got a shower, vanity unit, and this makes the perfect main bathroom. It's this sliding door that separates the living space with the sleeping. And one simple turn and everything opens up. This leads us into our master bedroom. It speaks for itself. It's corner window. It's got doors that lead out into the patio. This space has been allocated for our walk-in wardrobe, and it's right here at this door that leads us straight into the ensuite. To our left, we've got a big spacious bedroom, and to the left-hand corner of this home, we've designed this for a den home office. Again, it's got those amazing views. And this bedroom, to the very back of the home, we've built on an extension. On the outside, we've created a beautiful curved wall. But on the inside, that extension and that curve allows us to have this gorgeous picture window. Sigma Homes, what a team, what a company. And surprise, surprise, it's another project finished on schedule.